Nothing.
It's just stuff.
I'm just checking something. Thank you.
Okay, I'll put in the table for dinner. Maybe almost done. It sounds good. I think so. It's almost done. It's still cooking the other stuff.
That on top is going to be down on the bottom, underneath where you see the freight cars there on the bottom length of woods. Haven't got around to it yet. Gotta finish this. Working on this. That over on the top over there will connect onto this. You can't see it, that's my hand. I gotta get some light down here. I know. I'm actually working on this here, as you can see all the stuff here. The leg to the right will go for continuous, which will be there. I just haven't connected it, which will connect to over there, where the roundhouse and stuff is. This is my attempt at a helix. And this line to the left, which is here, goes to the helix and comes out down there. So, still haven't figured out what I'm doing down here yet. Now you can see I got all my stuff on the bottom part of it. This is my attempt at doing a video.